Hello and welcome back. So today I had a bit of a grind on the grinder and I've been teaching myself how to use it, and I figured out that it does grind opal fairly well. You can grind it back like a regular cabbing machine, or like a Nova wheel like you see, but pretty cool combined with the rotary tool. Obviously it's not the same as using a cabbing machine. Those Nova wheels are pretty cool and I think pretty essential if you really want to get serious about doing cabochons and cutting really nice high quality stones. So this is how this rubbed up. It's got some nice fire through here, reds, nice reds running up into here, and quite pretty colors. Some more running up there, that's right, yep. You are seeing red on the side here as well. That's that side. It's quite chunky. See how chunky it is? Now I did think about cutting it straight down the middle, but with opal obviously there's some wins and losses, and the more you practice the better you're going to get at it. But just wanted to share this stone. It's a nice big stone from Lightning Ridge. Semi-black, semi-black opal. And there's a few other stones here I might just quickly go through that I cut, and see that flake there, quite a nice little piece, but it's fully cut with sand still. This is a Mintabi stone. That last stone was from Lightning Ridge, was a knobby stone. This is a piece of Mintabi, most likely seam opal from Mintabi. See that nice flake there. This is a piece of Lightning Ridge material. It's like a knobby, white knobby. I'm pretty sure it's from Lightning Ridge, this piece, and I could almost guarantee that, but I mean, it's the black polish there for you. It's quite an unusual piece. I don't think I've seen anything quite like it in all my looking online at opals. I just haven't come across a piece exactly like this, but quite unique with that black going through there, if not spoiled by the black. But it's a cool sort of pattern stone, I think, and I've cut it straight through, and that's why that looks flat, that face. So the cutting wheel is okay. It's not as good as a cabbing machine, and it never will be, I don't think. This machine, the mini multifunction table saw and rotary tool, polisher, rock stone engraver, it's good. It's really good for the price. It's great, but it's not perfect, and it's not as good as having the proper equipment that is used by professional opal cutters and the like. They don't really recommend using rotary tools or this multifunction tool as a full-on permanent setup. It's more of like something that they might try out or have on hand as a specialized thing that they might need to bust out, but still for the price pretty good. And good practice for if you were to ever actually get a proper cabbing machine with Nova wheels and go down that road. This little teardrop I cut, it was a lot bigger. It's one of those stones that turned into a disaster. Every time I was pressing it against the wheel, it seemed to disintegrate at the back here, but I did manage to uncover a bit more colour, and I still have quite a bit to take down. You can see that clear bar there, that's actually colour. Just underneath this side I'm tapping, and you see, just need to take that down a bit further and I should be able to reveal the colour there, but I don't want to ruin the stone now that it's got some good colour showing there. There's another piece of that cut knobby opal with a lot of sand, again sort of flagstony chip pattern going on there. Blue green, no orange at all. It's actually quite rare to see. It might be a little bit there, but not really. It's not prominent. This little Mintabi stone I rubbed against the wheel and pressed it up and ground it back. It's got nice colour there. You can see that pink and green and blue. It's a lovely colour. And that's that one. And then this one. See, it's even got a bit of colour on the back there, in the sand, in the opalized clay. That's what we call it, opalized clay. We see it's showing colour, purple colour, and actually has pretty neat colour on the right angle. And cut the top face, and I think it's looking pretty good. And that's those ones. But there's also this piece here that I cut with the saw today. I cut it straight down the side there. There was a bigger piece about that long, and cut it. And this does have like a bit of a script thing going on there, but it's quite weak colour. There is sort of a scripty sort of a pattern going on there. Whether or not that's gonna get any better than that, I don't know, but once it's polished it may look a little bit better. You can see that there, the lines of colour and the pattern, straight sort of lines, sort of scripty. There's a little touch of green to the up over here. And then on this side, nothing really much to speak of, but quite like this little pattern going on here. Maybe that will get better with the polish. Anywho, that's what's there. And with the opal, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. You might have an idea for a stone and it could just go completely wrong, so be prepared for that. And just keep persevering and don't give up and cut those stones. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. Cheers.